Welcome back to the channel TechTube. In this video, we're simply gonna look at how to log out of your OnlyFans account. The process is quite easy. Now let's begin. I'll denote that I've already logged in. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to log out. At the top right, just above home, you can see your profile picture right here. Click on it, and once you guys do that, this thing will open up. In case you do not find this, what you guys can do is simply click on this button called as More, that is just below my profile. Click on it. Once again, the same thing will open up. Now all we want to do is log out. At the very bottom, just below the language settings, you're gonna see a button like this called as Log Out. Click on it, and once you do that, you will easily be logged out of your OnlyFans account. Well guys, that is it. Logging out of your OnlyFans account is as easy as that. If you guys found this video informative, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. We're gonna be uploading videos like this. Until next time, thank you.